All right, last time we looked at the bootleg Asuka figure in all her glory. And this time, I think, I'm not sure, but this is Rei. Let's open her up. My trusty utility knife again. This one looks better packaged than the other one. Okay. Here's Rei. This looks like it's in one piece. The other one was quite broken here and there. Again, originally these figures were resin kits made by Volks, I think they're called. Limited to maybe a few hundred pieces. Unpainted, super rare. Company got a hold of it. Bootlegged it. Oh, this one actually has all the pieces on the bubble. Whereas the other one had it on a figure, and that's why they kind of snapped off. I think that's everything. Spare of Longinus. Very cool. Look at that. Metallic red. And here we have Rei. Had a little bit of a distraction earlier, so I wasn't sure if I went through the story of this figure. Ooh, look at that balance. That's gonna topple over. Ooh, that's gonna need some glue. Can you see that? That knee piece, very loose, does not fit well. Wonder if I can temporarily put a piece of paper there. Just to hold it tight. No. Things you have to deal with when buying bootlegs. Right. This one fits snugly. Not quite, still very loose. Maybe this piece of paper will do. There we go. I have no idea where this goes. Clear piece. Where would the clear piece go? And arm, back. I'm not sure. Not sure. Like that, maybe? Just to hold it. I'll go look up some videos, figure out where this piece goes. Doesn't seem very important. Just like Asuka, looks like Rei is busting out of her Eva. Question is this her Eva? Or Shinji's? Looks like Shinji's. Let's get this staff in. Whoa, she's already holding part of it. This isn't even the whole thing. This is wild, look at that. There's a metal rod on this piece that I can put this piece into. Look at that. That is so cool. I really don't know how to get the whole thing in view. But let's take a closer look at her. Focus. Face sculpt. It's nice. Has a Rio nose that most anime characters do not. Bit of a scuff mark there. The face looks painted. Same with the arm. With kind of a matte skin color that you see in a lot of anime figures. Oddly enough, they have exposed skin there. That looks to be a bit shinier. Yeah, you see that? See that gloss right there? Then this. My hands are dirty from opening that package. There's like dust all over it. Don't know where this piece goes. Look at this detail. Like burn marks. Are the wires wrapping around her? Who knows? Who knows what that story is? Look at that. The eye painting, not that great. Definitely better than Asuka's. Her lips are painted as well. Let's look at that base. Is that an angel? Or is that Unit 1's? I think that's Unit 1. It's head. Look at that detail there. Very well painted. Kind of metallic purple, lots of shading. Kind of clear purple to pink transition. That's really cool. You would think a bootleg company would just do it one color and call it a day. I actually don't know if they cast it in one color and just spray one side of it a certain color to get that transition. Who knows? Who knows? Look at that. No, it looks like the color goes all the way through. Purple all the way. It's purple and then pink here. It's doing this beeping thing again. Okay. Oh, almost dropped that. Haha. Okay, here's Rei. And look at how cool she looks. Oh, catch. These are made out of PVC, not resin. Really hard, really solid. Should they be looking away from each other? Rei should be in front. These pieces will have to be glued on. Maybe this way. Yeah, there we go. That is cool. Very, very cool. Rei's face is definitely better painted than this. I have no idea what's going on there. Is it just the crookedness of the eyes? This eye, her right one, it's definitely higher. Like that. But super cool. It is gonna look fantastic as the center of my Eva display. I was actually thinking of sharing one of these squares between Eva, Evangelion, and Dragon Ball. But now it looks like I might not have enough space because these two are huge. So that's not it. I also have two more very unique pieces for Asuka and Rei that I want to display. I think they're just as big as these. Like, man, I need more display space. So very cool. Okay, thank you.